Okay, so you want to get better at drawing, which is just awesome. This means that you need to do a whole bunch more drawing, like a ton of drawing. But the thing is that when we start drawing, oftentimes we're stiff and we don't draw like we want to draw. And often this makes us feel yucky about our drawings. We get frustrated, we get discouraged. So what we're going to do in this exercise, and what I recommend doing before you get into that drawing project of yours, is just to, loosen up, do some drawing stretches. So what this looks like today is doing a drawing from reference, but without lifting our hand from our paper or from our iPad. And you might be wondering, well, what is this little thing on your Apple Pencil? This little pin, your pen tip? It is actually a pen tip from Pen Tips. And it's really cool to use. So I'm going to be using that while I do this exercise. What you can do is reference something to draw. Go outside, have a look for something around you, or just browse the internet. And we're going to be drawing this thing without lifting our pen from paper. So what I've done here is I've gone to Google and I've searched for yachts, and it's pretty much only brought up mega yachts, which are huge. So that's what I am going to be trying to draw. So let me open this one. Let's go visit. Ugh, that's not going to work. Maybe I'll just reference it like that. Like that. So it's on the side here and Procreate's on the left here. Now, let's get drawing. So, there's quite a bit of boat here. And remember, I can't lift my hand. Which, it becomes quite fun to do something like this, but also quite challenging. And maybe it even looks pretty artistic or creative. And you can't really see some of your drawing because your hand is in the way. And, that's okay. You're just loosening up. And after you're done with this, you can throw it away if you want. You do some windows down here and a line, or you can keep it. But it's meant to be something that you're not precious about. You can throw it away, you can discard it. Like you're not really precious about your stretches before running or cycling. You just do your stretches because it's going to help your run. It's going to help your muscles. And in this case, it helps our hand, it helps our brain, helps our mind, so that when we actually start drawing, well, we're a little bit looser. We're stretched, we're warm, and we don't do our sucky drawing on the first couple of minutes of our drawing project. We do it here in our warm-up session. And you can also make things up as you go. Now I've done the boat, but now I need to do, part of the background. Ooh, it looks like a very nice place that this boat is in. Yeah. And some water waves over here. Yeah. And then a big mountain thing, some foliage on top. Yeah. Maybe the sun over there. Okay. So something like that is what I'm after. It's just a really simple warm-up, one-line drawing. It's expressive, and now I feel more confident to get onto some other drawing activities. I've done the start of my drawing. I've warmed up. My hand feels a bit looser. I'm getting into it. And because I've started, it's way more likely that I'm going to continue drawing. And that's one of the biggest hurdles when it comes to drawing. It's just starting drawing. And now the discouragement part, the uninspirational part of those first few minutes of drawing, well, it's done. And now I can discard this if I want, or just keep it in Procreate. All right, so that is this exercise done. If you like these kind of things, follow Pen Tips on Instagram, on YouTube. Check out their website, their products. And if you like the way that I teach and the way I do things, my name is Rich Armstrong from TapTapKaboom. You can check out my website, taptapkaboom.com, and I will see you soon. All right, bye for now.